Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove multiple row in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first open your Excel document file. Firstly then we show the Excel document from the multiple row. Then show the many row. This multiple row. Now you can say now remove from the show row. Now select from the all data. Now keyboard press from the Ctrl G. Then show the interface. Now click for the special option. Now click for the blanks option. Then click for the OK. Then show the multiple row from the select. Now keyboard press from the remove multiple row. Now keyboard press from the Ctrl minus. Now click for the enter row option. Now click for OK. That's it. Then I show the remove multiple row in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.